Okay, good morning, everyone. We're going to start with this webinar. Thank you for joining. Today, we're going to be discussing about automated payable invoices with procurement process integration, which is a Cloudteam Company application integrated in FinancialForce, called also as, or known also as PISA app. So my name is Diana Castaño, and I will be showing you and guiding you through all the process regarding this new integration. First of all, I want to talk and I want to speak to you about our company. We are a company founded in November 2014, and we have grown actually now to almost 27 experts. We work with general with Apex Development Center in Eastern Europe, and also we have done a lot of implementations released across Europe and some other countries outside Europe as well. Our services are focused on cloud ERP strategy and digital transformations, ERP processes implementations focusing in PSA, HCM, accounting to revenue recognition, and also SEM. We are also FinancialForce specialists, FinancialForce applications specialists. And we also work on app development for business-specific enhancements. We help to streamline your business. So one of our missions is to accelerate the performance of the companies and the employees, giving an effective and an integrated business processes. Our digital transformations is, as it is trending topic, using and connecting the cloud-based application is the future. So that's why we are focused on that. And we are doing it with FinancialForce and Salesforce combined to give you all the solutions that you need for your business. So let's now talk about the Payable Invoice Scanning app, which is the main focus of our webinar. So the Payable Invoice Scanning app, regularly it was developed in such a way that it can be easily supported and very good help for the users and mostly for accounts payable management. And it's a very straightforward process in which all your suppliers can send an email with your invoice to your email box. Then through the OCR encoding, which is managed by DC Data, our partner for OCR, this will enable the PDF view in which after some steps will be enabled for validation for the users to validate all the important information that is retrieved from the invoice. Then if it's needed, and some companies want to track and to make sure that all the expenses and costs registers for purchases are approved, so an approval process can be also configured for this aim. And at the end, what it happens is there's a distribution in which basically we record the bookings for the financial system, FinancialForce account. So the suppliers will send directly the digital invoices to the IP email address, as I mentioned. But what I want to show you today is that an additional release has been done, an additional upgrade, sorry, has been done to this application, because as we have various customers in which we found out that they also use the supply chain management FinancialForce module, and for them it's needed to be able to track or to match the purchase orders with the quantities and the prices that are being registered there after receipt. We saw the need of this, so that's why we decided to also map the purchase order with the supply chain, sorry, with the purchase order with the Payable Invoices scans. And the Payable Invoices process, basically. So now an additional process that it was added to the flow of the Payable Invoices scan is the PO match, in which the system looks for the corresponding purchase order details, and once it's identified, it's fetched from the supply chain management system. And then the rest of the process, or the flow of the process, goes through as is known.